Back here in Indonesia, the DSC, a military intel unit embroiled in a scandal involving plans to invoke martial law, is now no more. The Defense Ministry followed up the disbandment with plans to form a task force to prepare a new intel command. Park Ji-won updates us on the progress made thus far.
A preparatory task force, according to the Defense Ministry's regular press briefing on Monday, will focus on creating a new military intel command by the first day of September. The preparatory task force team officially kicked off on Monday morning and is made up of 21 members, led by Lieutenant General Nam Young-shin. Nam was appointed to spearhead the reform of the military intel unit last Friday by President Moon Jae-in. The Defense Ministry said the new military intel command will be set up by a new legal framework, which will clearly state the obligation of the intelligence unit's members to stay politically neutral and prohibit the monitoring of civilians.
The ministerial ordinances, which will be newly enacted, stipulate the new Intel Command's missions and organizations, as well as the basic principles of its members' duties, the obligation of staying politically neutral, the prohibition of monitoring civilians, and the prohibition of abuses or misuses of its authority. The new ordinances also include clauses that provide grounds for formal objections regarding orders that go against those principles.
The new ordinances also create a new post of the Intel Unit's inspection director, which will be taken up by an active prosecutor. A military source told Arirang News Monday that although the newly created command will continue to assume the fundamental roles of the previous military intel unit, such as anti-espionage activities and military security issues, the newly created Intel Command will have more detailed frameworks that will prevent deviation from its original role. The military intel command came under fire as a series of confidential dossiers drawn up early last year aiming at illegally interfering into domestic politics were released to the public. Park Ji-won, Arirang News.